Hi everyone, this is Reno Nadiandi. Today I will make this design. I will go to Canva and I use Instagram post portrait here. I will go to file and setting, show ruler and guides, and then I will drag a ruler from the top to the center and another line here and also here. Now I will add a square. And then I will reduce the height like this, change the color to this gray, and then I will increase the width. And I will place here in the middle. And then I will remove the guideline, just drag it to the top. Now I will add some icon. First is this Facebook like. Reduce the size, I will place it here and change the color to this gray and add the text like, change the color to the same gray and place it here. I'll reduce the size of the text. Okay, and then I will add the comment icon. I will group this part. I will place it here. And then I will add this Facebook like reaction and the heart. And then select them both and I will reduce the size. I'll place it here. I will add the text. For example, 23K. Place here. Duplicate. Duplicate and share. I will place it here. And then I will add a circle frame. I will add this image as a profile picture and insert it to the circle frame. And then reduce the size. Like this. I will duplicate the text. Place here. I will insert the name. For example, and make it bold. Duplicate. Post from 3 days ago. No bold. Add the globe icon in gray color. And place it here. And then I will add a 3-dot icon, also in gray. Reduce the size and place it here. Duplicate this text. I will place it here. And then I will make a status here. And then now let's add the image. I will add this image. And I will place it here in the left top and then increase the size so the hand is reaching the bottom part of this design. Okay, like this. And then go to edit and choose magic grab and click and then click here, click grab, wait until it becomes a check mark and then duplicate and then go to dual tone, choose custom, choose highlight, change to black and the shadow to totally black like this. The X code is 0. Wait until it becomes a check mark. Back and go to blur. Click whole image, add the blur about 40, enter, and then close it, and then reduce the transparency to about 70 or 80. Go to position, layers, and send it behind the origin. So now it has a shadow, but I will drag it here to the left. Okay. And then I will select the background and crop it until the top guideline. And then I will add this image, a doghouse, and flip it. And then I will increase the size. Increase more, like this, and like this, and then crop it. And then I will add this image with bulldog looking up. I will reduce the size. I will paste it here. Go to position. I will send the dog and the doghouse behind the woman. I will move it down a little. Okay. So now you have it. See you next video and have fun with Canva.